Hello friends, today I will introduce you to very important topic, how to open company in Bulgaria. My honest opinion is that it is the better choice to open a company in Bulgaria and focus on your business rather than to dive into sea of bureaucracy being a freelancer in Bulgaria. So I prepared for you very useful presentation with all necessary details you have to know in order to avoid surprises, any headaches in your way to register a company in Bulgaria. First, before to start, you need to plan. You have to define your needs. To define your main activity of your company could be service, trade, and production. It will reflect on the prices of services. On all documents will be prepared afterwards. Of course, you have to choose the right business structure you need. In Bulgaria, the equivalent of the limited company, Bulgarian OD, is the most important and most common and most popular and most used company structure and company legal status opened by foreigners. Of course, you need to immediately to make VAT registration because especially if you have international clients. Local address, this is the virtual tax address and point of contact with the administration, especially with the National Revenue Agency. Social security you need, the latest moment you need to register a labor contract. This is the date you first issue your first sales invoice. Of course, you have to, as an important preparation, you have to choose unique company name. This will be reflected in all registration, will be your brand, your face. So must be something that says immediately who you are to your clients and you to work for the Shine brand that will work for you and increase your business. Of course, the most important thing here, and to put out burden of your shoulder and to choose and contact a reputable business consultant. The best option is a combination of a good lawyer for the first registration and then for consequent administrative service, monthly reporting, etc., everything related to taxation, to have a good expert as an accountant. What documents needed to prepare before starting and within the process of registration? This is passport and national ID, good quality scan for shareholders and executive and the management. So propose the company name. We will check if this name is free, because all registered names are not free to register and double and to make some cash in the economic world in Bulgaria. Also to all data for executive director of the business. Of course, names of the shareholders. This is followed strictly according to the Bulgarian Laundry Money Prevention Act. Of course, again, to choose the perfect structure for you, as I mentioned before, the most popular and most easy to deal with. This is the single LTD, and the minimum required capital is €1. Very convenient. Also, business activity to be defined with a short description, maximum 2-3 lines. This is your visit card and will present in your documents prepared afterwards, in your registration, etc. Here we have two options. First, remote registration. You don't need to visit Bulgaria to spend money for accommodation, flights, and waste time. We will do everything for you remotely. Only two documents needed to be notary certified at the closest Bulgarian consulate service. And after the payment and received and documents original received, we will start the registration. We will take three working days And from the moment we submit all documents needed to the Bulgarian agency. So if you need to, this remote registration work for businesses and entrepreneurs that do not need to open IBAN at a prestigious Bulgarian bank. It is not a problem at all. It will not restrict or limit your business. You can deal with alternative. My clients use Wise, Revolut, N24, no problem. The only reason you need at the beginning prestigious IBAN bank account open and strong and prestigious Bulgarian bank, they are most daughter companies of international big companies, is to pay to make through it the budget payments. This is only available from a Bulgarian bank, but we will do on your behalf with this. No worries, no problem at all. If you want to open a bank account in Bulgarian bank, you have to visit Bulgaria and stay here 5 days. So to wait 3-4 days, the company to appear in the Bulgarian commercial register, and then to apply as a business owner before the bank for opening IBAN at the Bulgarian. It takes could take time from 2 weeks to 2 months. So what happens in particular? We submit to a Bulgarian commercial register special form A4, what is consists all details for the company that must be registered. Act of incorporation of the company and the 2 important documents that must be notary certified. This is protocol memo from the Common Assembly of Shareholders, and the notary certified of agreement and the signature of the company's CEO. So this, all this and another special design documents defined by the registry agency. All this is submitted through only through electronic signature. After 3 working days, if there is not some objections, everything is done professional way, perfectly. The company appears registered in the Bulgarian commercial register. Absolutely no problem. And if you work with us, if you trust us, our promise is always to keep our prices 15% below the competition's average price level. And so this is the company dossier, company file in the Bulgarian registry companies with all details you have seen, all important details, name, address, subject of business, shareholders, managers. So benefits are absolutely affordable and beneficial for the entrepreneurs start business in Bulgaria, especially tuned for them. Lowest set of fees. So Bulgaria is a very cost competitive market in terms of services. Foundation capital is just €1. Lowest tax rate 5% for dividends and 10% for the corporate income tax. Another benefits you can obtain having a company in Bulgaria. VAT rate 0 for your European clients. So affordable accounting and legal services, mostly very good quality and a very affordable and competitive prices. And our special promise for you: 0 taxation till €3,000 monthly turnover. Over it, 3% taxation for the rest. And most important, based on our perfect expertise, this is 100% legal. 100% legal. No worries. You just need to trust us and to cooperate well. And what I personally, as a business owner of this service, consulting service, I promise 100% dedication, 24/7, the most affordable prices on the market, and time efficient way of service. So good luck and see you.